I'm not really drawing a Cray Supercomputer in Blender, it's just that's the basic shape that I'm trying to achieve, and Cray is the best analogy that I can find. So I've got a cylinder which represents the top part of the Cray, and now I want to get what is basically a bench seat all around the base of the cylinder here. And although I did a video about inward extrusion into a cylinder, although this is kind of similar in principle, I kind of struggle to get my head around this a bit. I don't know why. So this I want to, at least to prompt myself in the future anyway, remind myself how this goes. So we'll got our cylinder, we'll go into, well, first of all, actually, I'm going to go into viewer user perspective a bit, and then we're going to tab into edit mode, 3, 4, face select, click on the bottom face, and these are the keystrokes to kind of take account of. We are going to do E for extrude, right click, S for scale, and then move it out, or whatever you want to do with it, and then left click to accept, say. Then E for extrude again, drag down, left click to accept, there we have it. So if we go back into, say, object mode, and just pan around a bit, then we've got the basic shape there. Just wanted to show that. Thanks.